Hi my loves, it's me. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, we will going to have a love reading with message from your person. So let's see the energy first. Love reading with message from your person. So center your energy doon sa taong gusto mong ma-resonatean ng messages. And my loves, by the way, if you feel resonated with my energy, comment your thoughts below. So let's see. Energy. Legal matters. My loves, may legal matters na lumitaw dito. So meron dito my loves na anxiety, worry, and courage, my loves. So if you feel weak right now, I hear that this relationship or connection is in the stage of their challenges, my loves. Pwedeng may kinalaman din dito. Maaaring ang love connection na to ay may kinalaman or mayroong kinakaharap na problema regarding their legal pwede legality mismo, yung marriage, or pwedeng kasal itong connection na to, or pwede my loves kayong dalawa ay may kinakaharap na isang problem about legal matters na parang nakakaapekto ng malala dito sa love connection ninyong dalawa. Pwedeng my loves ngayon is kung hindi man ikaw ang nakakaramdam nun, pwedeng yung person mo, my loves, ang nakakaramdam ng anxiety and worry na to, na pwedeng nakaka-apekto ng malala din sa inyong dalawa, sa pagsasama ninyong dalawa. I also hear may disputes dito, so pwede my loves na may kinalaman din or involved din ang scams, involved din my loves yung pwedeng sa pera din to, my loves, na nagkokos talaga ng lots of anxiety. Either one sa inyong dalawa. Either you or yung person mo, my loves. Pero dito, my loves, the future energy is meron naman ding strength. May courage din naman. So, my loves, whether you are, sabihin natin kayong dalawa, yung nakakaranas ng problem na to about these legal matters, my loves. So, don't give up. Wag mong i-give up din if ever kayong yung partner mo lang o yung person mo lang, or kung ikaw lang ang nakakaranas nito, my loves, wag mong i-give up yung love connection na to, kasi meron naman ang session dito papaakyat. Kung kayo ay nalugmok man sa, sabihin natin, pwede halimbawa na lang, yes, meron kayong business ng partner mo, and then kinakaharap nun is yung matinding losses, legal responsibilities. My loves, wag mong hayaan na maapektuhan ang relationship nyo, or wag mo nang isuko itong relationship na to. So have courage, my loves, dahil andun din naman pwede din, my loves, na kung yung person mo ang dumaranas nito, they need strength coming from you. They need your support, my loves, para magkaroon siya ng courage na harapin kung ano man yung mga legal matters na to. So let's see more clarifier about this energy in this connection. Let's use our tarot card kung ano yung gusto pang i-confirm dito ni spirits about this love connection. Ayan, may nahulog, my loves, na hierophant. So may nahulog na hierophant dito, and this card with significance pagdating sa understanding ng iyong paniniwala. Pwede, my loves, na naninindigan kung ano ang tama at mali. Pwedeng ganun, my loves. Yes. My loves, despite all of these challenges, may lumitaw dito na lovers, Two of Cups natin. So, open your heart and receive love. Okay? So, dito, my loves, pwedeng ikaw din to, or yung person mo, Ang energy dito, my loves, alam niya yung consequences ng ginawa niya. Legal matters, alam niya, kumbaga, nandyan yung act of morality, nandyan yung involvement sa morality. Alam niyang meron siyang nakumit na mali. Pwedeng ganun yun, my loves. And dito, my loves, one of you, or pwedeng sa connection na to, takot i-let go yung mga bagay na to. Merong someone dito sa connection na to na takot, hindi, takot talikuran, or pwede din my loves lumitaw kasi Hierophant pero kung hindi lumitaw ang Hierophant, pwede gustong takbuhan ng person na to itong legal matters na to, pero lumitaw ay itong Hierophant. So ibig sabihin, alam niya na mali yung ginawa niya at alam niya ang consequences ng kanyang ginawa. So dito my loves, pwedeng iniisip ng isa sa inyo na mag-let go sa love connection na to. Pwedeng iniisip din ng isa sa inyo na ile-let go ka ng person na to because of this legal issues. Pwede may loves na someone feel anxious dahil pwedeng mag-ghost or biglang iwan. Okay, yun yung nararamdaman dito my loves. Pero dito my loves, yung courage na to once na dumating dito, my loves, pwedeng maayos pa yan. Maaayos pa kung naapektuhan man ang inyong relationship ng legal matters na to. Dahil meron dito ng lovers or yung lover card natin for lovers. Nandito ang connection and balance when it comes to Two of Cups, my loves. Kasi ito ay card natin for settled energy when it comes to love. Okay? So, dito my loves yun nga, it's time for you to let go. Kung ano man yung mga, ayun na kumbaga na-commit na niya masaserve at kailangan talagang maserve kung ano man yung mga pagkukulang, kung ano man yung na-commit na mali, kailangang maserve because of this. Spiritually and legally, kailangang maserve kung ano yung mali. And kailangan din my loves is to accept the changes. Kasi meron pa naman ditong courage. Pwede talaga na dumanas ang relationship na to sa ganitong klase ng pagsubok. Pero dito my loves, andito pa rin love pa rin ang mananaig. Kumbaga kung naapektuhan man my loves, andun pa rin yung sabihin nating pag-asa sa love connection na to. Kahit na dumadaan kayo sa problem. And my loves, kung nahihirapan kayo na mag-let go, my loves, spirits are telling you it's time for you to accept that these changes. It's time for you to let it go. Kung in separation naman kayo, my loves, I hear that makakabangon pa rin kayo. Okay? Makakabangon pa rin kayo and mapapanatili nyo ang love. Kasi dito kung in separation kayo, yung courage kasi na to, pwede din my loves na someone gives you more courage. Someone, kung hindi mo naramdaman to sa yung previous love life or person, pwede may loves na someone will take effort or kayang ibigay to ng someone sa'yo. Basta all you have to do is to let go. Let go the previous issue. Let go the past issue. Okay, let's see more clarifier from spirits. It's safe for you to love, my loves. Pwede din ito ay divorce. Pwedeng ganun, my loves. Dalawa na kasi yung nare-receive na lumitaw na card dito na open your heart. Dalawa open your heart and open your heart. Pwede may loves na yun nga, galing ka din sa divorce if you are in separated at merong someone na nagpaparamdam sa'yo at you feel anxious because hindi mo mapatawad yung past, hindi mo makalimutan yung past issues. And then express love, my loves. Go ahead and make the romantic gesture. Pwede nga my loves na hirap ka kasing mag-let go, hindi mo maiparamdam yung love mo, my love, trust. Okay, so someone din, my loves, is not able to love again, open up their heart because of dito sa mga nakasangkutan niyang legal issues, nakasangkutan ng kanyang someone or person na legal issues. Pwede my loves na kasalukuyan yung hinaharap yun, yung consequences. Pero dito, my loves, meron express your love. Pwede You feel anxious, until now you feel anxious, pero it's spirits are telling you that you need to trust in love again. This situation is calling for you to have faith. Pwede, my loves, na nawalan ka din ng tiwala sa person mo because of these legal matters. But spirits are telling you it's time for you to express love. Baka yun ang kailangan ng inyong connection, yun ang kailangan ng inyong person para magkaroon pa ng courage. Okay, let's see message from your person. So, in this portion, isipin mo mabuti yung person mo and kung ano yung gusto mong ma-resonate, okay? So, let's see. Oh, meron dito confirmation, baka nga nagkahiwalay kayo kasi may limitaw dito, my loves, na I remember the day we met like it was yesterday. So someone is reminiscing about you, about the past, and dito pwedeng nagkahulugan talaga to na inseparated kayo or hiwalay ang energy nyo, or kumbaga parang may cool off kayo. So dito, my loves, your person are telling you, I wish you were next to me and I want you. So, dito, my loves, pwede nga ikaw ang kailangan ng person na to para magkaroon din ng courage in life. Kailangan niya ng tiwala mo. Kailangan niyang makita na nagtitiwala ka pa rin sa kanya. Okay, let's see more. Message from their higher self. So, my loves, again, this connection involves legal matters. So, baka may mga naging issue kayo na about legal issues. Learning. Ayan, my loves. Pwede ito may kinalaman din sa sugal. You are unique and special and I have never met anyone like you before. Pwede din, my loves, ha. Ito din ay divorce kasi kumbaga may learning dito eh. Lalo na kasi pag lumilitaw yan, legal matters and Hierophant, hindi lang yan basta sa law, pati na rin sa spiritual na bagay, pwedeng nakamit din niya or nararanasan niya yung consequences ng kanyang ginawa. Our love is real. It is safe for you to love me. Paano ba siya paniniwalaan? So, nandito na si Spirits, ang sabi niya, it's safe for you to love. Trust. Pero dito, your person, their higher self, is telling you, it is safe for you to love me. Trust in us and in the guidance of higher realm. Have faith that it is safe to love me as much as I love you. So, dito, my loves, pwede nga, hindi pa kayo tuluyang separated or para pwedeng nakaamba pa lang kayo sa ganun dahil naapektuhan na kayo mga bagay-bagay. Pero dito, my loves, they are telling na natuto na sila or kasalukuyan silang natututo right now. So, my loves, I hear na itong person na to is humihingi pa ng another chance para sa sabihin natin na naniniwala siya at nananalig pa siya na this union is protected by the angels, by the guides, by the divine. So, you have opened my heart to the truth and I am very grateful for all the lessons that we both are learning now. So, again, this person is currently learning and parang kumbaga napatunayan niya na ikaw yung taong kailangan niya. Magtiwala ka lang sa kanya and this trust gives them lots of courage, my loves. So, last message from spirits. So, ano yung ina-advise niya sa'yo? Ano ang gustong i-advise sa'yo ni spirit since na ganito yung inyong situation? If you could do anything, what would it be? If you could do anything, what would it be? The answer dwells in your heart, not in your mind, for the heart is the gateway to the soul. So, my loves, this time, kailangan pakinggan ang iyong puso. Parang hirap ka na, ayaw mo nang patawarin tong taong to. Masyado na yung anxiety na nararamdaman nyo or siya din. Pero, my loves, spirits are telling you, ngayon, hayaan mo yung heart mo muna ang mag-decide. Try to trust this person again, because this person, kung nagtatanong ka kung totoo ba siya, kung genuine ba siya sa mga sinasabi niya sa'yo, na siya ay nagbago or natuto na, it's the confirmation, yes, my loves, because naniniwala yung person na to na your connection is real, at hindi lang basta-basta dito matatapos about the legal matters na to, about the disputes. Hindi lang dito basta matatapos ang inyong love connection. And that's all for this reading. Thank you so much and see you in my next one.